Okay, so scm.countBadge controls the source control count badge. All show the sum of all source control providers count badges. So this pertains to this little badge right here. So in order to show you this, I actually have to add another repo here. Let's add this one. And we have a lot of changes in this one, right? So usually what I do is, it's not, I don't like having all these source control providers here, so I just choose one of these, right? Whatever repository I'm working on, and I want the badge to update to the repository that I selected, right? So let's change this from all to focused, and now it just shows whatever repository or source control provider I actually focus on. So I'm going to leave this one with focused. Obviously the off option just disables the badge, but I enjoy seeing that, so I'm going to leave this one with focused.